Hi everyone. This is example 5 from chapter 19 in your unit 3 student packet. It says, does the desire to participate in a class project relate to a child's academic achievement? A sample of third graders was asked if they wanted to participate in a science project program. So notice that we've got two variables here. We have an academic standing, which is below average, average, or above average, and then desire to participate, which is yes or no. So we have two categorical variables, and we have a contingency table where those variables are given in counts. And we are looking to see whether or not these two variables are related. So this is a chi-squared test for independence. So our hypotheses for a chi-squared test of independence are always the same. The null hypothesis is that they are independent. So we'll say academic standing and desire to participate are independent. And then the alternative hypothesis is the opposite, that academic standing and desire to participate are not independent, meaning they are related. So everybody, regardless of the calculator you have, has this test in their calculator. So go to, I have to first put this in a matrix. So because we have two variables here and we want to create a contingency table, we want to put this whole table in a matrix. So you're going to go to matrix, which is, it's kind of hard to see. It's second, I'm having problems here. It's second x inverse. I think it looks like that. And you'll see underneath it says, or above in blue, it says matrix. And we're going to go to edit. And when you hit enter, you have matrix A. And this matrix A is going to be a 3 by 2. So it's the number of rows by the number of columns. But you don't have to really memorize that. Just if you mix it up, you'll notice that you get things in the wrong order. So then just fix it. So then we want to fill in all of our numbers. So we'll do 17, 9, 14, 13, 22, and 5. And once you have matrix A filled in, then just exit out of it. Just hit quit. Now we're actually going to go to the test. So we'll go to stat, tests, and we're going to arrow down to, it'll just say chi-squared test. So it's C. It just says chi-squared test. And the observed is usually already filled in. We'll say matrix A, which we put our observed. This is our observed data over here. That went into matrix A. Our expected is in matrix B. Notice that we didn't put anything in matrix B. The calculator is going to do it for us. So all you have to do is put in the observed into matrix A. And then just scroll down and hit calculate. And you will get a chi-squared statistic of 5.3135 and a p-value of 0.07. Now, sometimes you'll be asked to report the expected values. So to find those, go back to matrix, so that's second x inverse, and go to edit again, and then go down to B. And you will see the values are already filled in for you. So the expected would be 17.225, 8.775, 17.888, 9.1125. Gotta make my matrix bar a little longer here. Another 17.888 and 9.1125. There are ways that we can calculate this ourselves, but your calculator gives it for you. So we weren't given an alpha level for this, so let's use alpha equal to 0.05. So again, we have a p-value that's greater than this. So since the p-value is greater than alpha equal to 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And conclude that there is not enough evidence to show that they are not independent, or not enough evidence to conclude that desire and academic standing are related.